Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Decide your finding game theme and outline core player goals before starting work. Choose a target number of items, such as 10 items to collect each round. Plan camera perspective and spawn distances so players can explore comfortably. Set a typical round length to 3 minutes and decide whether items respawn after pickup. Define win conditions clearly, like collecting all items or reaching a score threshold. Sketch level flow on paper or a digital canvas before entering Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and use Lua to script collection behavior for each item. Attach a proximity prompt or touch detector and validate collection on the server side. Use a server script to award points and fire remote events for client UI updates. When collected, disable collisions and play a pickup sound, then remove the item after 1 second. Store player progress in leader stats and checkpoint positions to support multiple rounds. Keep functions modular to allow easy balancing and future feature additions. Conduct playtests with at least 5 players to find pacing and difficulty problems. Run 30 to 60-minute sessions and gather feedback on item placement and round length. Optimize scripts and assets to maintain roughly 60 FPS on common devices, including mobile. Add sound cues, UI timers, and a clear minimap or hints to improve player experience. Finalize game icon and description, then publish with monetization options like Game Pass or dev products if desired. Monitor analytics and update iteratively based on player data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.